Hey guys, my name is Lane Morgan. I am the owner and operator of Renown Cargo Trailers located in Douglas, Georgia. Our DNA is we build custom trailers. We have an in-house guy that does all our CAD drawings. That's what sets us apart from everybody else. If you can dream it, we can build it. We've done everything from bathroom trailers to mobile command trailers to living quarter trailers to mobile pet grooming trailers. That's one of our biggest hot items right now. But we're out here at the drone convention, and what we're doing is helping people get off grid. You know, you can use one of our trailers and go into remote areas that people usually can't go into and stay up to 2 weeks if you've got a dual fuel generator that operates off propane and gas. So that's kind of what we're doing out here, is just telling everybody in the drone industry, you know, you're not limited to a brick and mortar building. We're able to create an opportunity for you to go off site and, you know, not be stuck to one location. And like I said, if you can dream it, we can build it. We can do them everything with mini splits, bathrooms, you know, living quarters, you know, create all your Cat 5 stuff, you Starlinks on top, so you're not stuck to just one location. And that's what we do at Renown. We have our GSA, so we sell directly to the government. You don't have to go through a third party. You can go directly through us. I've got 13 amazing sales reps back in Georgia that are way smarter than I am. You know, that's one thing I did, was surround myself with people that's way smarter than me. And that's what I contribute my success to, is that and the good Lord. But guys, if you're interested in any kind of trailer, we do concession trailers, whatever it is, we can do it at Renown Cargo. So if you're interested, you're welcome to give us a call at 888-287-3954. You can find us online at renowncargotrailers.com, and we look forward to the opportunity to earn in your business next. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned.